Here I show you how to type and save a basic program. Start the C64 emulation. First, we switch the font color to make the text more readable. Yellow text can be switched on with the key combination Ctrl and 8. Press both buttons at the same time. Now we have yellow text. It can be inconvenient to press two keys at the same time, so you can first press Ctrl, release, and then switch to white font with the key 2. You've seen that Ctrl was active until you pressed a second key. This works the same way with the Shift and C equal keys. Let's draw a box. You can reach the corners with C equal and the letters A, S, Z and X. This works because the symbols are at the bottom left of the mentioned keys, and the bottom left symbols can always be reached with C equal. The connectors are located at the bottom right of the keys with the letters C and B, so you can reach them with Shift plus C and Shift plus B. Let's type in a small basic program. If you want to learn more about BASIC, follow the link in the video description. Typing longer programs on the virtual keyboard is no fun. You can connect a hardware keyboard to your device. Read more in the manual. You can reach the manual via the hamburger menu on the home screen. You can also use the Vice emulator on your desktop computer or laptop. Vice is a great program. Large parts of 8-bit wonders are based on it. Let's start the program. Works. Now we create a floppy disk file and save the program. Tap the hamburger icon, then tap Create Image. Enter a name for the floppy disk. As a type you can leave D64, which is the type for normal C64 disks. Entering an ID is optional. Tap the Create button. The last folder and a file name are preset, but you can change them. Tap Save. You created a blank floppy disk. Now you can insert it into Drive 8. Drive 8 is the default floppy drive on the C64. To save the program, type save, hello, 8. Now leave the emulation and restart it to check if everything worked. Tap the hamburger and select Open File. Now tap on the file you created earlier. You can see your program Hello. Tap on the name to launch it. That worked. Thanks for watching. Check out the other tutorials. I hope you'll have a lot of fun with 8-bit wonders.